Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Auli Juliani Saffana. My student number is 3720170045. And now I will tell you about some points in the books of An Introduction to Sociolinguistics by Ronald Wardaugh. Okay? The point that I get in this book is sociolinguistics, in accordance with expert, is a branch of science that defiantly explains the embodiment of the structure or elements of its sociocultural factors. Of course, assuming knowledge of the basic linguistic structures by using its brains, such as phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantics, of identify and explain the phenomena that are the object of study, namely language with various social or regional variation. Okay, in book by Ronald Wardaugh have a language, dialect, and varieties. And this is consists by two its important terms and dialect geography. There is variety, language, and dialect. Dialect geography is so glaces, boundaries, and continent. And the vernacular, patois, and coin, style or register accent build 7 criteria for languages: standardization, vitality, historicity, autonomy, reduction, mixture, and the factor norms. Okay, the first thing I will explain is about variety. A variety is a set of linguistic terms with similar distribution. And variety count any body of human speech patterns which is sufficiently homogeneous to be analyzed by available techniques of chronic description and which has a sufficiently large repertoire of elements and their arrangements of process with broad enough semantic scope to functional in all formal contexts of communication is by Wardaugh 23. And next, a language versus dialect. Language is used to refer either to a single linguistic norm or to a group of related norms, and dialect is used to refer to one of the norms, and the language is standard and dialect is non-standard. Okay, next, the dialects. A dialect is a regional or social variety of a language distinguished by pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary. Example of dialect in Wardaugh books is dialect geography, isoglosses, dialect boundaries, and dialect continuum. Next, in book of Ronald Wardaugh is have a vernacular, patois, and coin. I will explain to you what is vernacular. Vernacular is the language a person grows up with and uses in everyday life in ordinary, commonplace social interaction. Wardaugh 24. And the negative connotation. And next, the patois. Patois is French distinction between un dialect and un patois. The former is a regional variety of language that has an associated literary tradition, whereas the latter is a regional variety that lacks such a literary traditional. Wardaugh 25. And patois have pejorative and literary Tradition after event of standardization excludes. Next, koine. Koine, a form of speech shared by people of different vernaculars, though for some of them the koine itself may be their vernacular. Wardaugh 40. Okay, the last is the varieties. The varieties in the dialects is vernacular. Vernacular is standard English. Koine is standard English too. And Neo-Latin, German, Spanish, French. Attic Greek is Koine. And his accent, his general American. And the registers is casual and formal. Okay, I think that's all about the point in the book of Ronald Wardaugh. If I have a mistake, I'm so sorry. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.